So guys, my husband is loading up the truck with all that wood. Well, old pallets. Cleaning up the back room. It's hot out here. Hi honey, can you wave? He's like, leave me alone. It's hot. Thank you. Are you fussing at me? Guys, my husband told me to go in the house. I told him my head was spinning. It's hot outside. He's out there cutting the yard. I wish I can help, but I'm standing at the screen though, and I am burning up. Well, let's see what he's doing. Well guys, you see this here? I ain't gonna tell you what happened. Just know what happened. So I ended up having to be outside longer than I needed to be and put my herbs up in here. But it is what it is. Come out here to check on my baby. Oh, I got grass all in my stuff. Anyway, husband got a little weed eating done. He moved all my stuff into the middle. He said he had to have walk around room. So, okay. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna take a walk and check this water catchment out. Looks so good back here that my husband was able to get back here and get some of that old wood. You guys can see the setup. And I think that I am gonna lower this, and I guess I'm gonna get up there. I gotta do some tidying up, like I said, but I am gonna get up there, and I'm gonna put a little slant roof with that green top I bought. I want to try to do it today. We'll see where that goes. And also lower this here, so I can go ahead and get some things started. So that's that on that one. And I still have to tack, as you can see, the fencing. And I know it's not going to happen all in one day, but I got some of this one here done yesterday, but I think I'm going to work on that side first and get this here done. And go ahead and secure this side of the gate. But for right now, I'm going to sprinkle some of this, because I think we got chiggers around here. Something is biting my ankles. Yeah. So when you have projects, don't expect to get them all done at one time. It's just not going to happen. And I mean, it's what I guess you could call it time consuming. Things happen. You get under the weather. But yeah, so That's why it's called Love Lady Garden Projects and More, because we have a lot of projects to complete. I do have another project that I will be doing, adding to the list of projects. My husband is like, you don't need anything else. I'm gonna throw all your wood away. And I'm like, you better not touch my wood. But guys, I enjoy making these videos for you. And I'm happy that you guys are actually watching them. You never know who will need some kind of DIY project. Something simple. I wouldn't tell anyone anything is professionally done that I'm doing, but it starts out with a vision, and it's kind of like you make your vision come true. It is so much to be done, and I see the vision in my head of what I'm looking for, and I hope in due time that I can bring that same vision to you. When it gets to that point, what we would consider that big reveal day, I'm glad you guys came along the journey with me. But you have to move everything, move things out, throw things away, in order to get that fresh look. And that is a part of the problem that I feel is preventing me from having at least some of that look that I'm looking for. Alright guys, so far, sorry for the shaky camera. I have the top on. I just have to screw down the edges, and those edges slides into the gutter system, well, the drainage thing, runoff. So I have one side here on the right. I gotta screw it in, and then across the top where you see it lifted up, I gotta screw that down in on the side where the drainage is. So let's see, try to get it done. Okay guys, this is where I'm at so far. My husband helped me get the roof on. They have a slight slant where it drains into that gutter, and the gutter goes into the downspout, and the downspout goes into the bucket. Now you see this squishy thing? I had a small one. It fell in the it fell up in there. So okay, so this is what I got. I got some of this on it. I got some Gorilla Tape on it. I got a bungee, guess you can call it a bungee cord thingy on it. And I'm gonna put some of this on it. Now if this thing don't work, then it's not my gutter system, it's the tank. Well guys, that's the setup. I got those pieces on the roof. I got that nailed down, tacked down. Pray to God no high wind don't rip it up, because I did tack it with nails and not the nails with the washers, of course. But it is up there to where it slopes down where the water can drain into the gutters. I did cement every crack seam on the gutters themselves, and I put some crack seal on it as well. Those two pieces that kept coming loose, I actually used the stuff for gutter seams, seals, so I used that as well as some crack seal once I got the pieces together. I had purchased some Gorilla Tape, first time using that, so I actually taped the two pieces together. Then I actually Gorilla Taped both of them around the 4x4. So hopefully that works. We'll see, but we're not expecting to have any rain for about over a week. So we're gonna do some tests with the water hose hook up in the house. It'll stretch all the way back there, and we're gonna see if it's gonna at least go in the bucket. And I know the next time it rains, if I can't see it have grown to at least that first line or close to it, then it's just the actual container itself. Only paid $30 for it, but it's just the idea that I really don't want to have to go and spend more, you know, but it is what it is. If at the end of the day, if I have to get another container, then I will. But my trash cans, I'm still going to use those. I'm going to put one right here, and I'm going to put a little down spot right here to catch the water, as well as I'm going to probably put one maybe in either the far corner, or I might put it over here right directly behind this one here. That's where I'm not messing with the aesthetics of the rest of the place. So, I got it still zoomed out, I'm sorry. But I put some sulfur out to try to hopefully to help those chiggers. I mean, the neighbors still need to, that is so sad, man, you know? But anyway, I sulfured my whole little area, front to back. You see my lawnmower, everything. I did the vegetables and everything because it's just too much. I'm getting bit. What else? So yeah, let me know what you think, or I will update. I tell you what, I will update you after I do the experiment tomorrow with the water hose to see how that works. So, Love Lady is trying not to overdo it because I'm still having the headaches. My nose is starting to slightly stop hurting. But I know if I'm constantly coming out, like doing strenuous stuff, I'm not gonna get better. So that was like really bothering me, not being fixed, and I didn't want to get caught with what we call our pants down, and I get a good rain, and I don't have that system up, and it's up now. So anyway, thank you guys for listening.